Romanov, what do we got?
4 targets. 1 to my left, 1 above. 2 more headed your way.
How nice of them to come out and escort us to the party. What was that?
I sneezed.
No, you're gonna blow our cover is what that was.
I'm sorry, it was a sun sneeze.
A what?
The sun, it makes me sneeze.
That's not a thing.
I can't control when I sneeze.
You're making it up.
I sneeze when the sun hits my eyes. It's a thing. It's called a photic sneeze.
What did you just say to me?
Mr. Stark, I'm being
We're
serious.
hiding in a bush right now and you're worried about proving me right on a sun.
Boys, you know I'm all for good conversation, but let's stay on mission, please.
Right, sip it. Here they come.
You good, bro? Yeah, bro. It's just a sun sneeze. Oh, I've heard of those. Those are the worst. See, I told you.